Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an unusual meal that you had. You should say when did you eat it, where did you eat it, with whom you had the meal, and why do you think it was unusual. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you people, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So I'm pretty sure there might have been a lot of instances where you tried something different or unusual, which maybe you liked or you did not like, but it was different, right? That's what the question is asking you here. So you can talk about any of those dishes. Maybe you tried some burritos, or maybe you tried some kind of donut, or like a French croissant, like anything. Or maybe you tried some different kind of a cuisine, right? Or something along those lines. So you can use anything for a question like this. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created. I am a foodie and have an avid interest in trying new dishes whenever I get an opportunity. And today, I would like to speak about an authentic cottage cheese curry which was quite extraordinary. So, avid means to have a deep or a great interest in something. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year my friend celebrated her birthday in one of the popular restaurants named Tim's Cafe in New Delhi and had invited me as well. Furthermore, we ordered different cuisines as per our liking and taste, and I decided to order a traditional cottage cheese curry as I wanted to indulge in something that I haven't tasted previously. So, as you all can see, instead of using the word dish or meal again and again, we have used a lot of synonyms here like cuisine, recipe, and also some good adjectives like authentic, traditional. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. All right, so we have answered the first 3 questions, which is when did you eat it, where did you eat it, and with whom you had the meal. But the last question, which is why do you think it was unusual, still remains. So let's elaborate on that. Additionally, the curry had a distinct taste and the base gravy was prepared from cashew instead of tomatoes, which are used most often, and perfectly blended with exotic spices like cardamom, saffron, as well as cinnamon, which together imparted a unique flavor and fragrance to the dish. So, exotic means unique, fragrance means smell, and impart means to give. So, we use some better vocabulary words here to communicate the same meaning. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, the cottage cheese cubes in the gravy were slightly roasted and had a smoky taste attached to it and overall made the recipe delicious. Finally, I was contented and extremely satisfied after tasting the delicacy and still visit the restaurant from time to time. So, contented means to be happy. So, delicacy means a speciality. You must have noticed that we used a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.